Viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn Standard 8th Science Unit 16 Microorganisms அப்படிங்கிற லெசன்ஸில் நம்ம புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், microorganisms are measured in which answer correct? Answer C, micron. Second question, dash shows both living and non-living characteristics. Answer B, virus. Third one, dash is a prokaryotic microorganisms. Answer D, bacteria. Fourth one, based on shape, the bacteria are classified into dash types. Answer C, 4. Fifth one, common cold in human is caused by dash. Answer B, influenza. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is prepared from a mold called penicillium. Answer penicillin. Second question, dash are the infectious protein particles. Answer prions. Third one, the infecting virus particle found outside the host cell is. Answer virion. Fourth one, microorganism can be seen with the help of a. Answer microscope. Fifth one, bacteria which has a flagellum at one end is classified as monotrichous. Next, third Roman, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First question, disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Answer true. Second question, female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of dengue virus. Answer false. Correct statement, female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of malaria. Third question, chickenpox is a communicable disease. Answer true. Fourth one, citrus canker is transmitted by insects. Answer false. Correct statement, citrus canker is transmitted by air and water. Fifth one, yeast is used in the large scale production of alcohol. Answer true. Next, fourth one, match the following. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. Answer rhizobium. Tuberculosis. Answer bacteria. Guru. Answer prion. Probiotics. Answer lactobacillus acidophilus. Edward Jenner. Answer vaccine. Next, fifth Roman, answer the following questions. Mark the correct one as questions. If first option A, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C, if assertion is true but reason is false. Option D, if both assertion and reason are false. Question. First question, assertion, malaria is caused by protozoa. Reason, the disease is transmitted by mosquito. Answer A. இதில் 4 ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா, அதில் ஃபஸ்ட் ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட். Both assertion and reasons are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second question, assertion, algae are heterotrophic. Reason, they do not have chlorophyll. Answer D. Both assertion and reasons are false. Next, sixth Roman, answer very briefly. First, write the name of any nitrogen fixing bacteria. Answer rhizobium, cyanobacteria, nostoc. Second question, name the bacteria used in the production of vinegar. Answer Acetobacter aceti. Third question, write the names of any 3 protozoans. Answer amoeba, plasmodium, paramecium. Fourth question, who discovered penicillin? Answer Alexander Fleming. Fifth question, which disease can be prevented by vaccination? Answer smallpox, polio, measles, mumps, rubella, tuberculosis. Next, seventh Roman, answer briefly. First question, write the 4 types of bacteria based on their shape. Answer first one, bacilli, rod shaped bacteria. Second, spirilla, spiral shaped bacteria. Third one, cocci, spherical or ball shaped bacteria. Fourth one, vibrio, comma shaped bacteria. Second question, what are antibiotics? Answer, antibiotic is a substance produced by living organisms which is toxic for other organisms. Example, penicillin. Third question. What are pathogens? Answer. A few microorganisms are harmful to plants, animals and humans. They cause disease and hence they are called as pathogens. Example, bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa. Fourth question. How disease causing microorganisms enter into human beings? Answer. Pathogens enter into the body through cuts and wounds in the skin, mouth or nose and cause diseases. Viruses causing flu are spread through air. When the patient sneezes, droplets containing virus spread in air and it gets entered to another person when he breathes. Fifth question. Why microorganisms are essential for agriculture? Answer. First one, natural fertilizer. Microbes like bacteria, fungi act as decomposers and break down the dead and degradable waste of plants and animals. During this process, nutrients are released into the soil and the soil becomes fertile. This compost is called natural fertilizer. Second point, nitrogen fixation. Microbes can fix atmospheric gaseous nitrogen as nitrate salt in the soil. Example, rhizobium, root nodal bacteria in legumination plants, free living bacteria, cyanobacteria nostoc. Third one, biocontrol agents. Microbes act as natural biocontrol agents and protect crops from pests. Example, Bacillus thuringiensis. PT cotton helps to control insects. Next, answer in detail. First question, write a short note on bacteria and its structure. Answer, bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic cells without nuclei. They are considered to be the first living organisms on earth. Bacteria are grouped under the kingdom Monera. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The size of bacteria ranges from 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. Micrometer. Bacteria are of two types based on respiration. They are aerobic bacteria, require oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria does not require oxygen. Cell structure of bacteria. A bacterium has an outer covering known as the cell wall. Nuclear material is represented by a nucleide without nuclear membrane. An extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid is present in the cytoplasm. Protein synthesis is carried out by 70S ribosomes. Other cell organelles, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. Flagella aids in locomotion. The cell structure of bacteria. The bacteria cell structure. என்ன அப்படின்னா பைலி கேப்சூல் செல் வால் செல் மெம்பரைன் சைட்டோபிளாசம் ஃப்ளாஜெல்லா நியூக்ளியாய்டு வந்து சர்க்குலர் DNA. Next, bacteria are classified according to the shape of their cells. They are bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria, spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria, cocci, spherical or ball-shaped bacteria, vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. The shapes of bacteria தான் shapes base பண்ணி bacteria structure இதில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Next, bacteria are also classified according to the number and arrangement of flagella. They are as follows: monotrichous, single flagella at one end. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Next, lophotrichous, tuft of flagella at one end. Pseudomonas. Example, amphitrichous, tuft of flagella at both ends. Rhodospirillum rubrum. Next, peritrichous, flagella all around. Example, E. coli. Atrichous, without any flagella. Example, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. இதோட இமேஜ் வந்து இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. flagellum types in bacteria. Flagellation types in bacteria. Next question, how microorganisms are useful in the field of medicine? Answer, role of microbes in medicine. We obtain antibiotics and vaccines from microbes. Antibiotics. Antibiotic is a substance produced by living organisms which is toxic for other organisms. The antibiotic penicillin was obtained from the fungi Penicillium chrysogenum. It is used to treat diseases such as tetanus and diphtheria. The antibiotic streptomycin is obtained from Streptomyces bacteria to cure various bacterial infection. Example, plague. Vaccines. Vaccines are prepared from dead or weakened microbes. Edward Jenner was the first person to discover smallpox vaccines. When the vaccine is injected to the body of a patient, the body produces antibodies to fight against the germs. These antibodies remain inside the body and protect from future invasion of the germ. Example, MMR vaccine is given for preventing measles, mumps and rubella. PCG, Bacillus calmette guerin quirin vaccine is given for preventing tuberculosis. Next, third question, write a short note on common human disease caused by microorganisms. Answer. Human disease, என்னென்ன டிசீஸ் இருக்குன்னு நீங்கள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. கேசுவிட்டி ஆர்கனிசம், மோட் ஆஃப் டிரான்ஸ்மிட் எது மூலம் பரவுது, அதோட அறிகுறிகள் சிம்டம்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னு, ப்ரிவென்டிவ் மெஷர்ஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். 5 காலம்ஸ் இருக்குமா, 6 காலம்ஸ். ஃபஸ்ட்டு டியூபர்க்ளோசிஸ். டியூபர்க்ளோசிஸ் அப்படிங்கிற டிசீஸ் வந்து எதோட காசுவிட்டி ஆர்கனிசம்ஸ் என்னது, மைக்ரோ ஆர்கனிசம், மைக்கோபாக்டீரியம், டியூபர்க்ளோசிஸ் பாக்டீரியா. நெக்ஸ்ட் மோட் ஆஃப் டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் த்ரூ ஏர் அண்ட் ஸ்பெர்டம் ஆஃப் இன்ஃபெக்டட் பர்சன். சிம்டம்ஸ் persistent cough, blood, mucus, loss of weight, breathlessness. Preventive measures treatment, PCG vaccine. Next, cholera. Vibrio cholerae, bacteria caustic organisms. Mode of transmission by flies and contaminated food and water. Symptoms watery diarrhea, vomiting, rapid dehydration. Preventive measures treatment, anti-cholera vaccine. Maintaining personal hygiene. Next, common cold. Casualty microorganism, influenza virus through air. Mode of transmission. Symptoms வந்து running nose, sneezing. Preventive measures treatment, isolation of patient. Next, human disease, rabies, rhabdoviridae virus, casualty microorganism. Mode of transmission வந்து animal bite. Symptoms வந்து என்னது, fever, hallucination, paralysis, inability to swallow. Preventive measures treatment, anti-rabies vaccine. Next, human disease, amoebic dysentery, causative microorganisms, endamoeba, histolytica, protozoa. Mode of transmission, food, water and flies. Symptoms, severe diarrhea and blood in stool. Preventive measures and treatment, proper sanitation to be followed and metronidazole antibiotic to be administered. Next, malaria, human disease, casualty microorganism, plasmodium, protozoa. Mode of transmission, female Anopheles mosquito. Symptoms, nausea, vomiting, high fever. Preventing measures treatment, antimalarial drugs like quinine and chloroquine to be taken and usage of mosquito repellents and nets. இதாம்மா disease caused by microorganism in humans. Okay, next question. How can we improve the beneficial bacterial count in human beings? We can improve the beneficial bacterial count in human beings by adopting the following methods. Eat fiber-rich foods. Eat lots of vegetables, legumes, beans and fruit. Eat fermented foods. Don't eat too many artificial sweeteners. Eat prebiotic foods. Eat whole grains. Eat a plant-based diet. Next question, write a short note on probiotics. Answer. Probiotics. Probiotics are live food supplements used in yogurt and other fermented milk products. Example, Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium bifidum. These bacteria improve the microbial spectrum in the gut and thus contribute to the following effects. Decrease the risk of colon cancer, decrease cholesterol absorption, prevent diarrheal diseases by increasing immunity. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், எங்கள் சேனல் உங்களுக்கு, எங்கள் வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா எங்கள் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.